Have you ever wanted to try making your own lure but didn't know how? Stay tuned because we're going to make the traditional spoon lure and we're even going to try attempting a popper. Alright, so we're going to start today's video with the traditional spoon lure, and everything you need to complete this project is right here in front of me. You got spoons. I got two different sizes, a bigger spoon and a smaller spoon, table teaspoon if you want to be technical. I got the treble hooks to go on the back. You got the little snap rings to attach the treble hooks. I got some paint. I got a hacksaw to get the handles of the spoon off. And we got the drill with the drill bit to attach the snap ring to the spoon. So, now, we do the hard work. Alright, so you're going to want to start by putting your spoon in something that can hold it so you can effectively saw the end of your spoon off. So now that you have the handle cut off, you're going to want to take a file, something I forgot to mention, and file this down so it's flat and it's nice oval. Alright, there's the smaller spoon. This is the big spoon. That's the smaller spoon. So, they're looking pretty good so far. Alright, so now that we got our spoons all shaped out, the next step is to drill a hole here and here. We're going to put a snap ring here and a snap ring here. This one's going to go to the line, and this one's going to go and actually hold the treble hook. So, we'll do that real quick on all four of these spoons, and then we're ready to decorate. Alright, so I actually made a mistake. I put my hole too far away from the actual edge because my split ring doesn't go that far out. So I'm going to have to either re-drill, try and make this work, or something, but we'll figure it out. There we go. It's beautiful. Alright, so now that our spoons are drilled out and ready to go, we are going to paint them, and then I'm gonna put our split rings and treble hooks on, and then the spoons are done. Alright, so they're all painted up. And then the wifey went all out on the back side. The glitter, it's like an Easter egg. But mine's just like your standard thing with a little bit of glitter. Now we add the split rings. One thing that's really gonna help you guys is if you have split ring pliers. They help separate the rings so you can easily slide it through. Easily slide the spoon through, or whatever you're trying to slide through. Alright, once you get your split ring on, you can attach your treble hook to the end of the split ring. There we go. We have our first spoon done. Awesome. Voila. I'm kind of jealous of hers. It turned out much better than mine. Duh. Alright, day 2, we are working on the popper now. Everything you're gonna need is right here. We're starting with the treble hooks. We got super glue for decorating with our awesome googly eyes. And we got some corks. These are gonna be like the body to the popper. Some eye screws, which are gonna be the like line holes and for the treble hooks. After that, we got some nail polish for decorating purposes and a couple bottle caps, one for each popper, and lastly, a drill. So, on to making the popper. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is start out with 2 corks. You're going to end up super gluing these together just like that. This is going to be the body of your popper. Alright, once the glue is settled and you've eaten dinner, you can actually go ahead and start painting and decorating right away, because later you're going to want to put the eye screws in and the hooks, and we'll go ahead and throw on the googly eyes right now too, so we'll get to that. Alright, now that the paint is dry, we can add our googly eyes. Now that our googly eyes are on, we can start our hook setup. So you're going to take these eye screws. They're real small. And I would right away put the split ring and treble on it right away, because you can just screw these into your body. So you might as well just screw it in as one whole piece. So once you got this hooked up, just like that, you got the treble hooked up to the split ring hooked up to the eye screw, you can go ahead and screw this right in to the back of your popper, and then you're going to want to do the same setup and screw one into the bottom of your popper. Alright, now that we have our treble hooks on, everything is set. All we have to do is add the bottle cap. So to add the bottle cap, it's going to give it its popper-like action when it's going through the water, like that. So to add the bottle cap, you're going to use your drill bit, just a tiny drill bit, go through the middle of the bottle cap so you can put one of the eyelets in like that. And the eyelet is going to be used for your line. After that, you're going to help secure the bottle cap with some glue on the back. Alright, we have finally finished the popper. So we added the bottle cap. This is going to displace the water and create all the commotion. And trigger that bite. Check them out. Not too shabby. Alright, that's going to do it for this video, guys. We made some pretty awesome lures. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have ever made lures yourself. And also let me know who you think made the better lure. This being my wife's, this being mine, the traditional with some glitter. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every one of you. And remember to tune in next week. Zach out.